Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Forever. I am fine and I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God and your loved ones are safe and happy. Dear viewers, I am here again with another outstanding, fantastic, excellent video. I am super excited to share more about my leather dresses, mini skirts, raincoats, satin silk dresses, silk nightgowns, and much more collections of other fashionable dresses. So please visit my YouTube channel Fashion Forever and search videos about your own choice. Dear viewers, I hope you will like my video and enjoy my video. So I request you please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Pressing for bell icon, you can get my new uploading videos notification first. Dear viewers, these dresses are totally game changer for your wardrobe. Dear viewers, my video see till the end because next you can see much more collections. Dear viewers,